Vtopmart Airtight Food Storage Containers 12 pieces 1.5 QT 1.6L Plastic PBA-free kitchen pantry storage containers for sugar, flour and baking supplies, dishwasher safe, include 24 labels, blue. Perfect for pantry organization. This container set includes 12 small containers, 1.5 QT 1.6 liters, which are perfect for storing a small box of cereal, 300 grams. You also can use them to store baking supplies, Cheerios, oats, pasta, cereal, rice, flour, sugar, coffee, tea, snacks, nuts. BPA-free and food-grade material, made of BPA-free durable plastic, these containers will have a longer life than many other brands' plastic containers. Clear containers make it convenient to see what's inside. Stackable design. With stackable design, these plastic storage containers will make more efficient use of every inch of your home kitchen. Whether you have a large or small pantry, our airtight containers will help you organize your kitchen and pantry better. Airtight containers keep food fresh. The side-locking lids with blue silicone gasket make these storage containers airtight. Airtight storage system will always keep your food dry and fresh. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. 24 reusable labels. These labels will help you never confuse flour with powdered sugar or baking powder with baking soda. They are reusable. You can switch contents whenever you need. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.